Alright, what's going on? I haven't updated y'all like I promised, but this will be part 2 of the swap. So last time we got these things in there, those bad boys. We took the center console out. We got that mat over it so that it you know, I guess nothing happens to it. This is the old shift thingy. I did go ahead, if I can, yeah. Did go ahead and put this thing on the center console, so that'll be ready. We did get the transmission out, the automatic. We got it out like a week or 2 ago, so it's just we haven't. I just graduated college, so we haven't had time to work on it this past weekend. So, but yeah, this is, like I said, this is the manual that's going in it. It's got the short throw on it. This is the automatic that came out of it. Torque converter. Like I said, this thing is built, like, I mean, it's not, we think the transmission's good. We might even look at it, but we know this is bad, and that's unfortunate because this was expensive. It's got a 3200 stall on it, and this is built for 700 horsepower to the wheel, so like it's, you know, if we sell it, like, it'll be good if you figure out what's wrong with it, you know. So that's that. Still gotta hook that fork up, change that bearing out, and put all that stuff in there, and then it'll be good to go in the car. Now, this clutch kit we've got for it, because we put the flywheel and stuff on it for the new clutch, and this is the new clutch right here. It's nothing crazy, but yeah, I'm not gonna pull it out, but it doesn't come with like bolts or anything, so we had to get some bolts and they didn't fit, so we're gonna have to figure that out. And we need to get some transmission bolts too. And other than that, that's all the hardware we need. So, gotta pick that up. Don't want that out. But yeah, it's coming along so far. We're just taking our time with it. We don't want to rush things, because that's when you start losing and breaking stuff. But yeah, so we got the transmission to put in there. We got to do the clutch cable. We got to get, you know, obviously the center console all back together. We have to, I'm not gonna pop the hood, but we need to get a new belt for this, and we need to kind of fix the supercharger a little bit. It was put on a little weird, and we don't like how it's sitting right now. So we got to fix that, and after that it's gonna be good to go. So the next video I upload will probably be the finished project, or, you know, it'll be like the car will be done probably, and then, dude, I need to freaking get my GoPro fixed, because holding this camera, especially now trying to drive this thing with it being a manual, that's gonna be so difficult. But yeah, it's super quick update, man. I didn't want to leave you guys in the dark. We got the pilot bearing in. If you're confused how that goes, it only goes in one way, so you ain't got to worry too much about that. Flywheel is straightforward. Just bolt that bad boy up. I'm not sure, because I've seen online that you gotta make this hole bigger. I don't know, and you could use this thing like as a stencil, but I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks like it's already big enough. I don't know for sure yet. So we'll find that out later, I guess. Dude, we need to fix that carpet. It was stained by antifreeze. We had a big antifreeze leak, and it got all up in there, so that's why that's like that. But yeah, I mean, so far we haven't had many blockers, many issues. Like, I still think that doing this is going to be the hardest part of this job, period. Like, I don't think there's anything harder, I mean, you know, than putting these things in there. It was so difficult. We are having an issue with this though. Let me see if I can kind of get right here to show you guys, because it might be pretty serious. In terms of blockers, yeah, I guess I lied, because this is pretty bad, probably. Okay, I don't know, you probably can't see this. Hold up, let me get in there. Where'd that bad boy at? Okay, you see, how do I show this shit? Okay, well, there's like the freaking clutch safety switch. You could see in the back, like, I don't know if you can see that, man. It's a little rough. I could try to like zoom in on it so that you know where I'm this spot right here. There's two plugins right there, and yeah, you can see the wires right there. We found one that goes on the back side over there, like you see, but we cannot find the plug that goes on that side. We have no idea where it is. I've looked up videos and I've seen people put this plug on the right into that one, but I've tried it every single way and it just doesn't fit. So it only goes in that one. And it's such a mess right here. Like, I don't know what the hell goes in there. So if y'all have any like ideas on what could possibly go in there, let me know, you know. Like, I don't know if the wire was cut once upon a time and it's just gone now, or if it is in here and it's just like maybe hidden somewhere. But if any of y'all know what the hell that thing looks like, what colored wires are on it, or you know, just an idea of what we're looking for, you know, that'd help a lot. So, but yeah, I'm already sweating out here. But anyways, yeah, that'll probably do it for this. Like I said, I'm not gonna, just a super quick update. Like I said, it's going pretty good. Nothing serious besides that safety switch thing. It's not the end of the world, I hope. Like, if the car still starts, I'm not gonna stress about it too much right away. We're just gonna make sure everything else works, and then we'll look to address that later. But yep, that's gonna do it. If you got any tips on what the hell's going on with that issue, then drop it in the comments or whatever, if enough people see this anyway. But yeah, y'all take care. If y'all have any questions about like what's been done to it, I do have a video of it already, but if there's like something I missed, or if there's something specific you want to know, just holler at me. I'm not a big channel, I'll see it, you know. only ever get like freaking 13 views nowadays. So I hope all 13 of y'all enjoyed this. And I mean, there's not much to enjoy. It's probably a pretty lame video, if I'm being honest, because all I'm doing is sitting here talking about my problems. And no, but for real, y'all take care. Y'all, I'll try to update y'all more often on this thing, because I'm pretty bad at this. And yeah, man, I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all people ship.